In this video, I'm going to show you how a little known piece of software finds tons of great real estate investing opportunities on autopilot, and how you can use this exact strategy to increase the profits from your real estate investing efforts by saving you time and finding more deals than you can probably handle. Now let me warn you up front, this is not for people who like to spend hours at their computer, enjoy entering numbers into spreadsheets, or running calculations themselves. If this sounds like something you enjoy doing, then I'm going to tell you right now that this system will take all that joy away from you. So move along now, because there's nothing here for you. If you already have a bulletproof system for finding great deals online, or you're already overwhelmed with too many real estate investing opportunities, then this system will only overwhelm you with too many deals. I suppose that's not a horrible problem for you, but this system isn't for you either. But hey, thanks for stopping by. On the other hand, if you're looking for an easy way to find deals online, and you'd rather spend your time making money and enjoying your success, then listen up. I'm about to share the blueprint I used to create my software with you for free. And over the next few days, I'll send you a free video series where I go through everything step by step to make sure you understand it totally. I'm going to show you how to quickly find and analyze real estate investing opportunities. You're going to learn a rapid fire mindset for maximum profit and time saving right off the hop. I'll show you how to crunch the numbers on page 6 of the blueprint. Only 5th grade math is required. And on page 11, I'll show you a free online tool you can use to do all of this math for you. You'll also learn how to do your due diligence without ever visiting the property or leaving home. You're going to discover the 7 critical factors to look for before choosing to invest in a market to avoid investing in crappy neighborhoods. That's on page 12. On page 13, I'll show you how to use heat maps to see where the money is flowing in a market to maximize your property's appreciation. And you'll also discover how to virtually visit your property without leaving home. Say goodbye to fighting traffic, long lines at the airport, and the expense associated with both. And of course, I'm also going to show you a few places where you can do this due diligence for free. And then I'm going to show you how you can automate this entire process using my BirdDogBot software so you can spend your time making deals instead of looking for them. This entire blueprint in my video training series is only free for a limited time because I have plans to package it up and sell it as a standalone course for $97. So you're going to want to act now while I'm giving it away. To get this eye-opening blueprint and free video series, all you have to do is fill in your name and email on this page. This won't be one of those ebooks that you download and leave on your hard drive forever unread and doing nothing but collecting virtual dust. That's because there's no long-winded paragraphs with fluff and crap you don't care about. It's all to the point in point form, and you can easily browse through it and get to the point of each section quickly. You'll always go back to it for quick reference until you master the system so you can find an endless supply of great properties to invest in. So fill in your info right now and I'll have it sent out to you right away. You'll never look at searching for real estate investing deals online the same again.